Hello darlings, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I've decided to film for you guys my curly hair routine, which has been highly requested. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my hot oil treatment. So here I've added equal parts of olive oil, Jamaican black castor oil, and also some argan oil, and I'm going to warm it up for 30 seconds. The reason I like to do hot oil treatments, I feel like they really help to get my curls back on track, especially with the dry winter weather. It helps to add moisture back into my hair. So now that that's nice and warm, I'm going to go ahead and take that out the microwave and add my conditioner. I'm going to be quite generous with the amount of conditioner that I'm using. And before I put the conditioner in my hair, I went ahead and washed my hair with this olive oil neutralizing shampoo. As you can see here, this is my hair freshly washed with no product in there, ready for me to be adding in the leave-in conditioner with the hot oil. Sorry, not leave-in conditioner, the regular conditioner with the hot oil. So as you can see here, I'm parting my hair and I'm just going to tie up the one side so that I can work on the other side. This just makes it a little easier for me to get the product all throughout my hair evenly. As you can see, I'm focusing on the roots and then working my way down to the end. And I'm trying to be very generous and making sure that I get every strand of hair. I'm continuing to add product as I work my way down from the root to the tip, making sure that all the hair is completely drenched in this concoction. I'm now using my hands almost as a rake to comb through my hair to make sure that it is evenly distributed all throughout. As you can see, it almost looks like it's wet just as it's being freshly washed all over again, and that's exactly what you want. Keep raking your hands through to make sure that you have no knots in there, and then now I'm going to do the same to the other side, following the same process of adding from my root to my tip and working my way down. As you can see, I'm all done here. I've added the products to both sides of my hair, and I'm now going to put my hair into two little buns just to make sure that it stays, and also because I was getting ready to do some cooking. Once I have my two buns secured, I'm going to go ahead and put a shower cap on so that it can stay nice and warm, and I'm going to leave this for a couple of hours. I was boiling some water that I was getting ready to make some pasta with, and I decided to use the steam to open up my pores to get ready for this face mask that I am getting ready to apply. This is a new peel-off mask that I got from Walmart, and it's supposed to be helpful to brighten your skin, and with the winter weather I find that sometimes I get very dull. So as you can see, I'm trying it out here and it smells really good. If you guys want to see a skincare routine from me or some of the masks that I love to use, then make sure you comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. As you can see, I have it all over my face, and I'm gonna let this sit for a while and let my hair also sit for a while before I go ahead and take this mask off and wash out my hair. So as you can see, I've relocated to the bathroom and I've washed out, oh pardon me, oh my gosh. I've washed out my leave-in conditioner hot oil treatment. I've gone ahead and done my makeup, so now I'm going to go ahead and style my hair. As you can see, my hair is kind of dried a bit, but I'm going to go ahead and add my extra strength Frizz serum here. If I can unlock it first, there we go. No, the other way. Sorry guys, I decided to go ahead and mute the audio from these parts of the footage because my family was talking really loud and laughing in the background, as you guys can imagine. So here I'm just going to be adding the products. It's pretty self-explanatory. If you guys want a more detailed hair video of all of the products I like to use, or maybe you want to see me try out some different curly products, definitely comment down below and I'll get that to you guys. Here you can see I'm following the same process that I did with the conditioner by going from my roots to my tip, trying to ensure that I cover all the hair. And I'm adding in some water to add some extra moisture. Here I'm just going in with some more products to ensure that all of my hair is well covered. I don't want any dry spots, because any spots that end up dry usually end up frizzing up and then my hair just becomes one big puff. As you can see here, I'm fluffing it with my hands, trying to ensure that I get product all throughout my hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and follow the exact same process on the other side of my hair, adding the leave-in conditioner by Cantu from my roots to tip. Here I'm going to be adding my DevaCurl gel spray, and I'm going to be spritzing that all over, but I'm not going to be putting too much because I'm not a huge fan of the texture of this spray. Sometimes it leaves your hair a little sticky, and once I've got that all over my hair, I'm just going to use my hands and work that through and fluff it throughout to make sure that it's not just patchy on certain spots. So here it is guys, this is the final look. My curls are looking nice and nourished, and I'm gonna go ahead and leave my hair to air dry now. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll be sure to list everything in the description box below. Of course, you already know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up and of course subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.